In this video, I'm going to share the top 5 skills you need to make money online in 2025 based on my real experiences and what I will suggest you to do even if you are starting as a complete beginner and want to succeed online. My name is Michael and I've had an online business for 7 or 8 years and I have tested hundreds of different ways to make money online. So what I will share in this video here are actually based on real experiences and not just some kind of theory, because I do have an online business myself and I made money online for years. So let's now just get to it and go over these 5 skills you should definitely focus on to succeed in 2025. So the first thing I want to talk about is the mindset, because you do need to have the right mindset to make money online, no matter what your income goals are. So it doesn't matter whether you're just looking to earn some extra money on the side or whether you are looking to make a full-time income or scale it to become rich online. You do need to have the right mindset for your goals, and the wrong mindset is, in my experience, and I've worked with hundreds of people that have started making money online, and the number one reason when people fail is that they have the wrong mindset. So first of all, you need to actually want it, and if you actually really want it, then you can also find a way to make it happen, because many people think they actually want it, but they want it in the way that they're just like, oh, I would love to make full-time income online or make some extra money online, but I don't really want to make an effort, I don't really want to prioritize this. Well, then you don't want it bad enough. You need to take it serious. No matter what your goals are, then go for those goals and remember why you're doing it. Because, for example, if you know that you're doing this because you want more time with your family, you want more freedom, you want to work on your own terms, then remember that if you don't do anything, then nothing will change. And for me, that's a great motivator when there's sometimes things I don't feel like doing, that I just remember, well, if I don't do this, then the alternative will be that then nothing will actually happen, nothing will change. I use that a lot when I first started making money online. So you need to know that you will find a way even if you fail, because basically any successful online entrepreneur that I know and that I've ever heard of has failed many times with many different things. That is a part of building a business. Not everything will work. So do not let it stop you just because you encounter a small technical error or something that doesn't work. If you want to make money online, you will fail with some things, but you need to know that you will find a way to make it happen and to succeed. So the second skill you need is goal setting, because you need to set your goals realistically. And the road you choose depends on whether you just want to earn a couple of $100 extra per month, for example, or if you want to create a business where you can work whenever you want to and potentially earn $5,000-$10,000 per month or even more. So set some realistic goals. A realistic goal is not that I want to earn $10,000 a day starting today without any effort. That's not realistic. If you want to earn some extra money, then you say like, okay, I want to, for example, earn $200 extra per month starting here, maybe even eventually once I have that I want to reinvest it, then I want to build it in to potentially a full-time income, and I'm willing to spend 12 months working on this and continue. So goals is not just about like the amount you want to earn, it is what you want to achieve. So say like, okay, my goal is, for example, to earn extra money on the side. Well, then you need to choose one set of earning methods, and I'll talk more about how you can do that later there, which methods I recommend. But if you then want to start a business where you potentially can earn a lot of money online and make a living and all that, then there are other things you need to prioritize. And then of course the effort you need to put in will also be different. And if you want huge results, then you should also expect that it will take longer before you start seeing results, and you'll need to put more time and effort. So be realistic. Don't just expect that you can become rich online without any effort and fast. That's not how it works. And if you believe that, you'll just end up getting scammed. So the third skill I wanted to talk about is to be able to adapt, because this is now more necessary than ever, because a lot of ways to earn online have changed just the past years because of many different reasons. For example, because of AI, especially if you're trying to start an online business like a full-time income business, then there's just so many things that have changed with how the different traffic sources works and all these different things. So you need to keep learning to be able to adapt, and you need to be aware that when one of opportunity closes, others will also open up, and you need to have an open mind to see this, because if you're not able to adapt, then even if you succeed, then it will in most cases be for a limited time, because there are so many changes. So be able to see when changes happen and be willing to also adapt to those changes. So the fourth skill is time management, because time just has a tendency to disappear. I'm sure you can relate to that also. So make a schedule. And again, this doesn't actually matter whether you want to make a full-time business or create a full-time business income, or if you want to make some extra money on the side. Make sure you actually take the time to do it, because I've seen it so many times. People say like, oh, I want to make money online and I do it whenever I can. And then you like really ask them, and then it turns out they spend half an hour once a week for the last 2 months and they don't understand, they haven't seen results. So set your goals as mentioned, and then set aside time to actually reach those goals. It can be daily, it can be weekly. That all depends on your schedule. Of course, the beauty of earning online, whether it's a side income or full-time business, is that you can plan it around your own time, your own schedule. And most of us spend at least half an hour, an hour, sometimes a couple of hours, watching TV, scrolling through social media on your phone, doing things like that, or just waiting in line sometimes, right? And time like that, like set that aside to then use that to learn and to earn. The last skill I want to talk about is to take action, because without action, nothing will happen. It's all connected, and that means like once you have your goals, once you know what to expect, and once you have the right mindset, then you need to translate all that into taking action, because if you're not taking action, you won't see any results. And I see it so often. People just, even when you found the right things you want to learn, you start learning and all that, but then to translate into actually doing the things you need to do the tasks you need to do to build an online business, or to do the tasks you need to do if you want to earn a side income. For some reason, it just seems hard for people. So when you set aside the time, then those times where you're doing that, then you also take action. You should not let yourself get distracted by anything else. Just take action to achieve your goals. So that is, in my opinion, the 5 skills you really need to be able to have success online in 2025, whether you're looking to create a side income or a potential full-time income or more. If you want to know more about my top recommended way to then actually build a full-time income, then I will leave a link below so you can learn more about that. And if what you're interested in is to just earn some extra money on the side, then I do have an email course completely free you can sign up to, where you will get several emails that will guide you through the hundreds of different methods that I've tested, how to get started with them easily and all that. So I'll also leave a link to that below so you can check that out and choose depending on what your income goals are. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.